respected director sir, respected dignitaries, and to everyone here. A very warm good afternoon to all. And it's a great to see so many people here to honor my father. Even though we are of many different ages and we have all kind of jobs from different interests, from different background. And it is certain that we all have one thing in common, that is our admiration of a man who never quits until the job is done. And the man, of course, is Shri Bharat Singh Rawat. Before I say anything to thank Dad, I'd like to start by recognizing my mom, whom I see as the unsung hero of the day. My mom's support to my dad made it possible for him to achieve such a meaningful career in his life. She was ceaselessly positive and encouraging. Mom, you deserve a lot of credit and appreciation. So please join me around in applause for my mom, please. In our years growing up on Ridge Road, my sisters and I were raised by a man who loved his life. He loved our mom, he loved spending time with us, and there was never a day when he didn't love his job. Dad was truly passionate about his work, passionate about his all different organizations he worked with. All children absorb a great deal from the world they grew up in, and it wasn't until recently that I realized the full impact of growing up with a father who found so much fulfillment in his work. Dad's attitude toward his work made a deep impression upon three of us, me, my younger sister Priyanka, elder sister Deepthi. We learned that a career doesn't have to mean working mindlessly for a paycheck. We learned that job can be, it's possible to do something for 36 years and have the same excitement for your 36th fall as you did for your first. We learned that a job can mean helping someone to grow, reach beyond their known limits, and go farther and faster than they ever thought possible. We learned that a job can mean pulling people together and guiding a group to think positively in the face of adversity. Most importantly, we learned that being a leader doesn't revolve around winning. It means holding people accountable for what they believe in and valuing community citizenship. Father do a lot of teaching, but perhaps one of Dad's greatest lessons to us was unintentional. He showed us that a career can be a passion. Dad also modeled us for what it really means to place your family as your top priority. Dad never lost his perspective on life and the things that matter most. Whether it was trekking almost the great Himalayas, never missing on teaching me mathematics, or spending some time for himself for his spiritual journey, Dad's first efforts were always towards his family. Though he worked very hard at his different workplace, and I would like to showcase the list of those. So, in February 1984, he joined as a lower division clerk at Registrar Cooperative, Parliament Street, New Delhi. And he worked there for 5 years. In 1989 to 1994, he worked at Development Department. 1994 to 2006, Technical Education ITI. 2006 to 2010, Sales Tax Department ITO. 2010 to 2011, Health and Welfare Department, Delhi Secretariat. 2011 to 2016, Home Department, Delhi Secretariat. 2016 to 2018, Food and Supply Department, ITO. And at last, 2018 to till date, Senior Section Officer, Administration, GV Pant Hospital, New Delhi. So in total, 8 different organizations my dad worked with. It was a really great journey. And at last, I'd like to say that I'm so glad that the time has come now. You have pushed me to success. It's time now. I repay your hard work by taking care of you and mother in your retirement time. I'm so happy that you will be at home now for most of the time with us. We'll have lots of time to enjoy the father-son bonding. So Father, on behalf of everyone here, I'd like to say thanks for being a man of action, not just words. You got us started rallying many people to work together to complete their many unhandled projects of life. It would never happen without you. So join me in giving my father, Shri Bharat Singh Rawat, a round of applause and a big thank you. Thank you very much.
बहुत ही बढ़िया पेरेंट्स के लिए फीलिंग जो है वो होनी भी चाहिए.